SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. But forget that mouthful. Here's what it really means. You know how when you search for something on Google, some websites show up first and others are buried on page 10 where nobody looks? SEO is basically the tricks and techniques people use to help their website show up closer to the top. Here's how it works. Google is like a librarian who's read every single book in the world. When you ask a question, the librarian tries to recommend the best books to answer it. SEO is like making sure your book has a clear title, good descriptions, and is organized in a way the librarian can easily understand and recommend. What makes Google recommend your website? 3 main things. 1. Good content. Your website actually answers people's questions well, like a book with helpful information inside. 2. Clear labels. You use the right words and titles so Google knows what your page is about, like a book with a clear title on the spine. 3. Popularity. Other websites link to yours, which tells Google, hey, this site is trustworthy, like when lots of people recommend the same book. SEO helps websites get found by people searching online, kind of like making sure your lemonade stand is on the busiest street corner instead of hidden in a back alley. If you're a business owner struggling to get found on Google, let's fix that. Get in touch with us today.